Alright guys, it's been a while, but I got a little video for you. Verse of the day is Isaiah 6:8. The Lord asks, whom shall I send and who shall go for us? And Isaiah replies, here I am, Lord, send me. So as always, I will not interpret it for you. I hope that meant something. This is my EDC knife. It's a Benchmade SOCP. The long version. Armatus carry sheath and the Mummert knives and triple op design collaboration IWB clip. It's in the topo. So this is what I use if I'm ever carrying a knife. The Armatus sheath works amazing. Very, very slim. Does not take up a lot of real estate. It is a little bit long. I'd imagine that for EDCing, that the shorter blade would be a little better, but I like the versatility of the longer one. So yeah guys, this is my knife. Very quick, not reviewing or anything, just kind of showing off what I use every day. I love this collaboration between three awesome companies, and it works really well. Anyways guys, stay tuned for more.